Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a super easy and efficient way to add your company's logo, or really any company's logo, right into your Google Sheets. By the end of this video, you'll be able to make your spreadsheets look way more professional, organized, and instantly recognizable. This is especially great if you're sharing your sheet with colleagues, clients, or just want to make your data pop with a little visual flair. Let's jump straight into it. Imagine you already have a Google Sheet set up, maybe to compare different companies, track vendors, or create a team dashboard. For this example, I've got a simple table with company names in one column and their websites in another. We've got eBay, Amazon, Facebook, and YouTube all lined up and ready to go. Now, the real magic here is that we're going to let Google Sheets fetch those company logos for us automatically just by using a bit of clever formula magic. We're using a free logo API service from Clearbit, which lets us pull logos simply by knowing the website address for each company. So let's look at what we already did for eBay as our first example. In the cell where we want the logo to appear, we typed out this formula, equals image, open parentheses, concat, open parentheses again, then pasted in https://logo clearbit.com/ followed by the website cell for eBay D6 and then closed both sets of parentheses. What this does is combine that base web address with the one specific to your company, so clearbit.com/ebay.com in this case, and then Google Sheets pulls in the actual image automatically. Let's keep going and add the logo for Amazon next. In the cell next to Amazon, you'll type exactly the same formula, but with D7 instead of D6, because that's where the Amazon website lives in your spreadsheet. So equals image concat https://logo clearbit.com/D7. Once you hit enter, don't worry if it takes a quick second. The image might need a moment to load, especially if you're doing this for the first time, or your internet's just a tad slow that day. Now here comes one of those moments where Google Sheets really shines. There's no need to type that formula over and over for every company. Instead, we can use the little blue square in the corner of the cell called the fill handle. All you have to do is click the cell with the Amazon formula, hover over the little square until your cursor becomes a plus sign, and then simply drag it down to cover the rest of your company list, Facebook, YouTube, and beyond. Sheets will automatically adjust the formula for each row, pulling in the right website for each company and displaying the correct logo. It's like giving your data a professional polish in just a few clicks. If you ever get an error or see a blank cell, don't worry. Sometimes a particular website just might not have a logo in the Clearbit database, or maybe the web address was typed incorrectly. You can double-check the web addresses or even try searching the company name in the Clearbit logo search to see if it's available. And that's honestly all there is to it. With just a simple formula and a quick drag, your Google Sheet becomes a whole lot more visually appealing and informative. It's a small detail, but it's these little touches that help your work stand out or make things clearer for anyone viewing your data. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below if you run into any trouble or want to see more tips like this. And don't forget to hit subscribe for regular spreadsheet tricks, productivity hacks, and more. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.